So hi guys, so in this video I will tell you that you can see here you are only see only logos and icons, but you are not able to see like text with logos like in name like Elementor, and you are not able to. So this is a very hard when we make website and work on our website. So I will tell you that how can you unhide this and how can you so clearly like this image. Okay, so for that, what to do guys? First, for that you have to like my video. Please guys, this is my new YouTube channel, so please guys support me. And you have to come down, okay guys, and you have to click here this icon. Okay, when you click in this icon, then guys you can see all icons with name, right? And this is easy for you to develop your website. So guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. And guys, thank you for giving me time in my video, and have a great day, and bye guys.